everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Learning from Home with Teacher Rosal. For today, we're going to talk about the soft and hard objects. Here are our following objectives. First, distinguish the organ used for touching. Second, name soft and hard objects. And third, identify soft and hard objects. Let's begin. We can feel things around us, correct? We can feel a lot of things, whether we can be in our house or in our school, of course. So, what sense organ is responsible for touching and feeling these things? How can I feel? All right, so of course, we can feel through our sense of touch, our hands or skin, correct? So, our hands here, or our hand here, and our skin, which covers throughout our body. And of course, it's also known as the largest organ of our body. Those are, or they are responsible for, yes, feeling and touching soft and hard objects, rough and smooth objects, or the hot and cold objects. Correct. Okay. So when we're going to feel the hard objects, they are firm to hold. Okay, be careful because when that hard or those hard objects, when they hit you, you might get yourself injured. Okay, now here are some examples of hard objects. Let's begin. First, the rock or the stone. Next, hollow block or wood. The hammer and nails. The steel and the metal chain. The table and chair. The spoon and fork, and of course, the plates. Pen and marbles. All right, so those are some examples of hard objects, and there are a lot of things which are hard also. We can have the cabinet, the door of our house, our figurines. Okay, so those are some. Now let's go to some examples of soft objects. When we feel or we can touch these soft objects, we can feel a nice feeling and we can feel comfortable with these things. Okay. All right. So let's start. Pillows and blanket. Next, towels and handkerchief. Next, tissue paper and cotton. Next, powder puff and of course our hair. Next, marshmallows and cake. Next, bread and teddy bear or our stuffed toys. Next, our sofa and the clothes that we wear. Okay, so those are some examples of soft objects. Okay, now this time, let's play. Yay! All right, so this game, we're going to identify the object shown as soft or hard. So you're going to guess if that thing is soft or hard. The first thing here is a pen. What's a pen? Yes, it's hard. Correct. Next, towels. Very good, soft. How about the marshmallows? When we eat the marshmallows, it melts in our mouth. Correct, it is soft. Next, metal chain. It's hard, very hard. Next, pillows when we sleep. We can use these pillows. Correct. Soft. Very good. Stones. When you're going to hold a stone, it is, yes, hard. Very hard. Tissue paper. It is soft. Okay. Plates. Okay, hard. Very good. Wood. Correct. Hard. How about the cake? It is soft. Very good. Okay, so that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. And all right, let's see each other again for our next topic. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.